Welcome you all. I am Srinath, Faculty of Mechanical Engineering Department, Canara Engineering College, Bangalore. So in this lecture, I will explain about the numerical on a compressible flow. The first numerical here, find the sonic velocity for the following fluids. Case 1, crude oil of specific gravity 0.8 and bulk modulus 153036 Newton per centimeter square. And second case, mercury having a bulk modulus of 2648700 Newton per centimeter square. Now see the solution. For crude oil, the specific gravity is given, that is 0.8. So then if you know the specific gravity, then find the density of the oil by multiplying with 1000. So now density of the specific of given crude oil is 800 kg per meter cube. Bulk modulus value is given, K is equals to 153036 Newton per centimeter square. So here I want to convert this Newton per centimeter square to the Newton per meter square. So for sonic velocity, the expression becomes like that: C is equals to square root of K by rho. So here C is equals to sonic velocity or velocity of sound. So that is equals to square root of K. The K is equals to bulk modulus, rho is equals to density of crude oil. Now substitute these values. So here bulk modulus value to be substituted in Newton per meter square by multiplying with 10 power 4 and density is 800. So then sonic velocity of crude oil is 1383 meter per second. In similar manner, we calculate the sonic velocity of given mercury of specific gravity 13.6. So now density of the mercury rho is equals to 13,600 kg per meter cube. The bulk modulus value is given, that is 2648700 Newton per centimeter square. So now expression for sonic velocity becomes C is equals to square root of K by rho. After substituting these values on this expression, now we will get the answer for the sonic velocity is equals to 1395.55 meter per second. So now numerical number 2, find the speed of the sound wave in air at sea level where the pressure and temperature are 10.1043 Newton per centimeter square, that is absolute pressure, and temperature 15 degrees centigrade respectively. So now take R is equals to 287 joules per kg Kelvin and K value is equals to 1.4. Now solution is, the pressure value P is given, that is in Newton per centimeter square. So convert that into Newton per meter square by multiplying with 10 power 4. So now pressure is equals to 10.4 0.1043 into 10 power 4 Newton per meter square. The temperature is given 15 degrees centigrade. So convert that into Kelvin by adding 273. So now temperature is equals to 288 Kelvin. R is equals to 287 joules per kg Kelvin. So for adiabatic process, the velocity of sound is given by the expression is C is equals to square root of KRT. So here K value is equals to 1.4, R is equals to 287 and temperature reading is 288. After simplification we will get the answer 340.17 meter per second. So that is the speed of air for this given numerical. Now numerical number 3, calculate the Mach number at a point on a jet propelled aircraft which is flying at 1100 km per hour at sea level where air temperature is 20 degrees centigrade. So then take K is equals to 1.4 and R is equals to 287 joules per kg Kelvin. Now solution is the speed of the aircraft V is equals to 1100 km per hour. So now I want to convert that into meter per second. That means here if you want to convert from that kilometer to meter, so now it is multiplied with the 1000, and if you want to convert from that hour to second, so now 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds. Now it is for that reason this velocity reading is divided by 60 into 60. So now we will get the velocity speed of the aircraft is 305.55 meter per second. The temperature reading is 20 degrees centigrade and 293 degree Kelvin. Gas constant is given, that is a 287 joules per kg Kelvin, and K value is equals to 1.4. For adiabatic process, the velocity of the sound is given by, so initially the Mach number, in this numerical I want to calculate the Mach number. The Mach number is given by M is equals to V by C. So V is equals to velocity of aircraft, so that is known, that is a 305.55, but the velocity of the sound is unknown, so that is calculated by using the expression C is equals to square root of KRT. Then after substituting these values, the K is equals to 1.4, 200 and R is equals to 287, T is equals to 293. So now velocity of sound is equals to 343.11 meter per second. So now Mach number is calculated by using the formula M is equals to V by C. The velocity of V, the speed of aircraft, that is a 305.55, and velocity of sound value is 343.11. So that is equals to Mach number is equals to 0.89. So now problem number 4. An aeroplane is flying at an height of 15 km where the temperature is minus 50 degrees centigrade. The speed of the plane is corresponding to Mach number 2, and assuming K is equals to 1.4 and R is equals to 287 joules per kg Kelvin, find the speed of the plane. The solution is height of the plane, the Z is equals to 15 km is given. So actually this data is not required to solve this numerical, that is the extra data given here. Now temperature is minus 50 degree centigrade, so that is equals to 223 degree Kelvin. R is equals to 287 joules per kg Kelvin. K is equals to 1.4. Mach number is equals to 2.0. So for adiabatic process, the velocity of sound is calculated by using the expression C is equals to square root of KRT, and that velocity of sound is equals to now 299.33 meter per second. The Mach number is calculated by using M is equals to V by C, and Mach number is given, that is 2.0. The velocity is unknown, so then velocity of sound is equals to 299.33. Now that value is 598.66 meter per second. And if you want to convert that into kilometer per hour, so at that time it is multiplied with 3600 divided by 1000 to convert that into kilometer, that is equals to 2155.17 kilometer per hour. And numerical number 5. A projectile is traveling in air having pressure and temperature as 8.829 Newton per centimeter square and minus 2 degree centigrade. If the Mach angle is 40 degree, find the velocity of the projectile. Take K is equals to 1.4 and R is equals to 287 joules per kg Kelvin. Now projectile is traveling at certain velocity, and the pressure values and the temperature is given, and also Mach angle is given as a 40 degree. So now I want to find out what is the velocity of the projectile. The solution is here. The pressure 8.829 into 10 power 4 Newton per meter square. Temperature is 271 degree Kelvin. R is equals to 287 joules per kg Kelvin. K is equals to 1.4. Then Mach angle alpha is equals to 40 degree. So here Mach angle is given by sin alpha is equals to C by V. So V is equals to velocity of the projectile and C is equals to velocity of the sound, and sin alpha angle is given, that is a 40 degree. By using this relation we can find the velocity of the projectile, but here the C is calculated, the velocity of the sound, the C is equals to velocity of the sound, so that is calculated by using the expression. The C is equals to square root of KRT. Then substituting these values of K 1.4, R is equals to 287 and T is equals to 271. So now C value or velocity of sound is equals to 330 meter per second. So then after substituting these values in Mach angle equation, the sin 40 is equals to 340 by V. So now velocity of the projectile is 530 meter per second. The problem number 6. Find the velocity of bullet fired in standard air if the Mach angle is 30 degree. Take K is equals to 1.4 and R is equals to 287 joules per kg Kelvin for air. Assume temperature as 15 degree centigrade. Solution is temperature 30 degree is equals to degree centigrade is equals to 288 Kelvin. The temperature is a 15 degree. The temperature is a 15 degree, so that is equals to 288 degree Kelvin. R is equals to 287 joules per kg Kelvin. K is equals to 1.4 and Mach angle is given, alpha is equals to 30 degree. So now we have the Mach angle sin alpha is equals to C by V. Now sin 30 is equals to C by V. For adiabatic process, the velocity of sound is calculated by using the expression C is equals to square root of KRT, and that velocity of sound is equals to 340.25 meter per second. Then substituting these values in Mach angle formula, sin 30 is equals to 340.25 by V. So now the velocity of the bullet fired is 680.50 meter per second. In this session we studied about to solve the numericals on this compressible flow. Thank you.